Marhaba. Hello and welcome to My Arabic. This video is going to be very short. We are going to learn just 3 words in Arabic. How to say like, share and subscribe. Let's start. Like, as you know, these are imperative or requesting verbs. And to say that to a group of people, like أحب, أحب. And to say it, share to a group of people, شاركوا, شاركوا. And to say subscribe to a group of people, اشتركوا, اشتركوا. Again from the top, أحب, أحب. شاركوا, شاركوا. اشتركوا, اشتركوا. Okay, and because these are imperative verbs, so you could say من فضلكم, please, أحبوا, or من فضلكم شاركوا, من فضلكم اشتركوا, and so on. Okay, and now I can say to all of you, من فضلكم أحبوا وشاركوا واشتركوا. We put the wow between each verb, as you know in Arabic. أحبوا وشاركوا واشتركوا. Okay, so now I hope you like this video, and if you are going to like this video or not, and if you are going to share this video or not, and if you are going to subscribe to this channel or not, I can say to all of you, shukran wa ma'as salama.